हरि ओम्। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीं प्रपन्नपारिजाताय तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। Bhagavad Gita, a conversation with God daily. Today, chapter 11, shloka number 39. Vayuryamogniर्वरुणः शशाङ्कः प्रजापतिस्त्वं प्रपितामहश्च नमो नमस्तेऽस्तु सहस्रकृत्वः पुनश्च भूयोऽपि नमो नमस्ते। Krishna shows his Vishwarupa to Arjuna, and Arjuna is just frightened on seeing that, and he says to Krishna, Vayur Yamognir Varuna Shashankaha. Krishna, you are that Vayu Bhagavan. You are Lord Yama. You are Lord Agni. You are Lord Varuna. You are that moon. You are Prajapati. And Prapitamahascha. You are a grandfather. Brahma is the creator. So he is our father, and the one who created Brahma itself is Brahma's father. So the grandfather for all living beings. You are our grandfather too. Namo namastestu sahasra kritvaha. I salute you, I prostrate you 1,000 times. Punascha bhuyopi namo namaste. My salutations, my salutations. I salute you again. I salute you 1,000 times. Just overwhelmed with devotion. Overwhelmed with that fear. He just prostrates again and again. Just for rule's sake, if you prostrate, then you prostrate once, that is enough. But if you are so filled with respect, love, gratitude, then you keep prostrating to somebody. It doesn't seem enough at all. So here, Arjuna keeps prostrating Krishna, and he says, nothing is enough. I salute you 1,000 times, Krishna. Namah purastat atha prishtataste namostu te sarvata eva sarva ananta viryamita vikramastvam sarvam samapnoshi tatosi sarvaha. Then he feels, okay, I prostrate him, but how prostrate him? If you are going to prostrate somebody, then you fall at their feet with your head towards them. It is said you should not prostrate. When you prostrate, your leg must not be facing God. Even in temples, you should prostrate such that your legs are not towards the shrine. Now here, Krishna is present everywhere. His Vishwarupa is there, pervading the entire universe. It's there everywhere. So, how do I prostrate him? In which direction? So Arjuna says, I am prostrating you from the front. I am prostrating you from the back. I am prostrating you from all sides. Ananta Virya Amita Vikramasthvam. Your physical strength is just endless, unlimited. And not just physical strength. Your ability to use various weapons. Your knowledge of Astra Shastras. That is also just limitless. So, some may be very powerful physically, but they will not know the usage of weapons. Some may be very skilled in using weapons, but they will not be physically powerful. Here, Krishna is both. So, Arjuna says, Ananta Virya Amita Vikramasthvam. And you are pervading everything in this universe. So, you are verily everything. Sakheti matva prasabham yaduktam he Krishna he Yadava he sakheti ajanata mahimanam tavedam maya pramadat pranayena vapi. And Arjuna says, O Krishna, not knowing your greatness, unaware of the fact that you are that supreme God, unaware of who you actually are, unaware of this Vishwarupa, I have been disrespectful towards you so many times. And I have spoken arrogantly with you, with the feeling, this Arjuna is greater than Krishna. What? This fellow. With that thought, I have spoken to you so many times. I have called you, hey Krishna, hey Yadava, oh my friend. I have called you in so many ways without being humble at all. I have knowingly humiliated you, and out of love I have taken advantage and I have been disrespectful towards you. Yachavahasartham asatkritosi vihara shayyasana bhojaneshu ekothavapi achyuta tatsamaksham tatshamaye tvam aham aprameyam. And I have made fun of you so many times. Not just once, so many times. While playing, while sleeping, while eating together, under so many circumstances, I have made fun of you. Ekothavapi achyuta. When you were alone and when you were in the midst of so many other people also, I have behaved unsuitably. Now, you should forgive me for all that. पितासि लोकस्य चराचरस्य त्वम् अस्य पूज्यश्च गुरुर्गरीयान् न त्वत्समोऽस्ति अभ्यधिकः कुतोऽन्यो लोकत्रयेऽपि अप्रतिमप्रभाव. You are the father of this entire world. You are the father for all moving and stationary objects. And not just that you are the father, but you deserve to be given respect. You deserve to be worshipped. You are elder to all elders. You are greater than all elders. There is no one equal to you or greater than you in this entire universe. You being the supreme God, if there are many gods, then if there are many supreme gods, then the command of one will be opposed by some other. So, the functioning of the universe cannot be done effectively. Therefore, there can be only one supreme controller of the entire universe. All others must be beneath him. And that supreme controller is you. In all the three worlds, there is just no one equal to you or greater than you. Tasmat pranamya pranidhaya kayam prasadaye tvam aham ishamidhyam piteva putrasya sakheva sakyuhu priyah priyayarhasi deva sodum. Then he says, so I prostrate you by falling at your feet completely. Pranidhaya, with the entire body touching the ground. I am prostrating, saluting you, the controller, the one who deserves to be prized. And you should forgive all my mistakes. Like how a father forgives his son. A lover forgives the mistakes of his loved one. Like how a friend forgives the mistakes of his friend. You too must forgive whatever mistakes that I have committed. You have to endure however I behave towards you. Just think, oh, it's our Archana. Out of your love for me, you please bear with all my flaws. Adrishtapurvam hrishitosmi drishtva bhayena cha pravyathitam mano me tadeva me darshaya deva rupam prasida devesha jagannivasa. Adrishtapurvam hrishitosmi drishtva, having seen what I have never seen before, having had the darshan of your Vishwarupa, a darshan which nobody can have that easily. Having had that darshan, I am happy. I am so happy. But at the same time, I am trembling with fear. I am unable to look at you like this. So, please, show me your original form. Oh, Lord of Lords, please, I want to see you as that Krishna, that that I am familiar with. Kiritinam gadinam chakrahastam ichchami tvam drashtum aham tathaiva tenaiva rupena chaturbhujena sahasrabaho bhava vishwamurte. Oh Lord, the thousand-armed one, please, you hide your Vishwarupa. This form, I just don't want to see it. You give darshan as that Krishna with 4 arms holding the chakra, the conch, the gada, and with a beautiful crown on your head, curly locks of hair. That beautiful form I would like to see. So Krishna, enough of this, enough of this. I want to see you as my Krishna. Please give me that darshan, says Arjuna. We'll stop with that for today. We'll continue tomorrow. Hari Om.